So this is outlining all the equipment that you need in your toolbox for treating yellow flag iris. Many of you will not have deep water populations, but if you do, this is a grass hedger, and you can get it at most gardening stores. It has a locking mechanism on it, so once you set it to the ground level, you lock it, and then you can just cut and then fold it up when you're not using it. These long-handled shears are for cutting the yellow flag iris to the ground. Now these two tools we didn't use today, but these little hand cutters are so important if you're dealing where there's blackberry, willow, rose, shrubs that you need to cut down to the ground or clear out of your way so that you can work effectively. This saw has seen a lot of use, and this is really important when you need to remove fallen logs or even small standing dead wood so that you can get into a site and get the fabric down on the ground. X-Acto knife or even a pair of scissors to cut the fabric. A couple of reel tapes, which you can get at a forestry supply store. This is for measuring the infested treatment area, and then it's great to have one up at the parking lot for the person who's rolling the fabric out so they can measure the fabric. This shovel is perfect for severing the rhizomes when you can't do a complete treatment and you want to have that square blade at the bottom. No scoop, no D-shovel blades. You want a square bladed shovel. And the last tool that you need is a box of galvanized spikes and fender washers. The galvanized spike means it won't rust when it goes in the water, and same with the washer. If you use just a shiny metal spike, it will rust and then it becomes really hard to get it out of the mat. So use galvanized, it won't rust, and of course it lasts forever. You don't have to get the spiral, but the spiral will dig into the ground a little better. These are perfect for stitching the fabric together, for securing the perimeter of the fabric when you've gone your 20 centimeters past, but they are not the final thing if you're working in soil conditions where you can push this in and pull it right out because the soil is so loose. Then you need to put a heavy rock on top, a sandbag, a cinder block, something that is going to keep this in the ground.